In this tutorial, we're going to look at how you can access different operating group accounts that you may have been given access to. You will always access SRMS Online with your MyBTO username and password, but once you've logged in, you may need to access different accounts to input your Raptor monitoring data. You will always be able to see who you're logged in as in the bottom left-hand corner of the screen. And in the top right-hand corner, see which account you're accessing at any one time. So in this example, we can see that I'm logged in as Amy Chalice, and initially I'm just accessing my individual account. To jump into a different account that you might have access to, you need to click on the blue Change button. This will bring up a list of the various accounts that you have access to. You will see the names of the accounts listed on the left-hand side, with your own individual account listed at the top. And along the top, you will see a list of the potential roles that you have in the various accounts you can access. So, Principal is the highest ranking role, and you will find that you have Principal role on your own individual account. If you've got access to other accounts, you might have different roles. So, as an example, if you're a member of the Scottish Raptor Study Group, you're likely to find that you've typically been given the role of Record Controller on one or more species accounts for your Raptor Study Group branch area. As a record controller, you can access specific locations within the account relevant to your monitoring and enter visit data against them that will automatically be viewable by the deputy and principal of the account, typically the species coordinator and branch chair. To jump into a different account, you simply need to click on the blue Operate button at the end of the relevant row.